BTech second year electrical department student. I am contesting for the sports secretary student in Gymkhana IIT Hyderabad. My credentials are: I am an interactive player for the last 2 years, played cricket. I am an NSO cricket player. I have been awarded the emerging player for the year 2013-2014 and the remaining. My mission and vision for contesting as sports secretary this year is basically what I feel is sports form an integral part in every healthy life. Most of us pursue degree and go out and lead a hectic life. For this, what I feel is we need to have a sports culture inculcated in ourselves from now, so that we'll get to know the values like teamwork, time management, all these things. Basically, we need to create an environment where everybody gets an opportunity to pursue their fields of interest in sports. My mission here is to integrate sports in common interests lives, make them actively involved in some other activity, so that they get benefited from their values like time management, fitness, even understand the value of life. My primary goals are to make sports a culture at IIT Hyderabad. Second one, remarkable position at the 51st Interactive Sports Meet to be held at IIT Madras. My key initiatives are: person, Wall of Fame. Wall of Fame includes persons who have dedicated themselves for sports throughout their life, throughout their stay in IIT Hyderabad, and they have worked for the upliftment of sports activities in IIT Hyderabad. Next, creating a new post in Sports Council, PG Sports Representative, to increase the PG participation and proposing best PG sportsman. Why best PG sportsman? Because to motivate the PG people to come to sports. Next, increasing the sports facilities at hostels so that the quality of game increases throughout the campus. This is to bring out the dark horses. NSO mega paths, especially for the faculty people. I personally feel, as a BTech electrical department, I personally face this problem. The problem is we have a clash between the NSORs and the exams and the schedule of the classes. So what I feel is it is better to have some makeup hours for these NSORs, so that we'll not lose our NSORs. Next, coordinating with the movie club and screening all the matches at the hostel arena. Coordinating with the photography club and photograph all the important matches. Next, IIT Village. This has been a successful event organized at IIT Bombay. What this comprises is, like, we'll have sports like chess, caroms, like small games like Chinese checkers, all these games. Like, so that we can create a sportive environment in the hostel premises itself. Next is Sports EML. Sports EML, I would like to bring sports people to give their speeches or valuable information regarding fitness, health, and all other maintenance during sports. Next, coaches for all the sports. Girls basketball team. I personally feel responsible to motivate the girls basketball team and make them participate in interactive 51st interactive. Next, sports handbook. What is actually happening is, like, many people don't know whom to access for a particular sport or whom to contact to get information about a particular sport. So I feel that sports handbook will give the information about a particular sport and who is responsible for a particular sport, so that every person can access the person with the help of this book. Next, interaction matches for the freshers. Right, when they come, immediately when they come, they should be interaction for the freshers, so that this is an initiative for the freshers. Joggers Club. This is mainly for people who are motivated towards fitness and health concerns. Next, indoor and the hostel premises in the permanent campus. Coming to gym, repairing and purchasing the gym material required, and separate room for weightlifting with a proper coach. Next one, council website. Council website holds all the information on all sports and competitions, and it will have the feedback forms and clarifications, and it will also hold the videos and photos of all the events, sports events happening in Hyderabad and updates. Girls participation. Since most of the events witness less amount of girls, I personally felt that if we conduct some leagues inside the girls' hostel itself, we can increase the girls' participation there. So I took this as an initiative. Indoor and hostel is a permanent campus also. My timeline, I have divided my duties into two phases. Like phase 1, preparation for the 51st inter-IT, that is from April 2015 to December 2015. Next phase 2, enhancing the sports culture at IIT Hyderabad, that is from Jan 2016 to March 2016. In phase 1, April 2015, finding new players, selecting sports council members, finalizing the event to make sure the proper boots are there. Next, May, June, July, coordinating the sports council members, making the sports calendar, and budget plan for the upcoming academic year. Next, August, NSO orientation, IT Madras meeting. Next, getting the proper list of aquatics meet. September 2015, finalizing the list of aquatics team that is participating in the inter-IT. Yes, next. October, like preparing the budget for inter-IT, preparing the teams, booking tickets, all these things. These are pretty much the duties of sports secretary. Initiatives, key initiatives. Like in November, it's almost the end of the semester, so we have to organize some leagues before we wrap up before the end. December, it's the inter-IT practice, so we'll take care of it. Next, phase 2 starts here. After the inter-IT, we have to keep up the sports culture, sports fever running throughout this semester, even semester also. Like felicitation to the winners. Next, planning and fixing dates to the respective leagues. Next, sports leagues conduction. Next, coordinating the sports company, fixing the dates for department and the respective leagues. And the match, like concluding the leagues. The major issue, like how will be the sports facilities when we go to the permanent campus? I have personally talked to SG Singh sir and Prempa sir. Like, I came to the conclusion that if we go to the permanent campus, this phase 1 will take place, phase 2 will take place, and key initiatives will happen. And I personally assure that temporary facilities will be made available for you in the permanent campus, at least as good as we have, at present as we have. If you don't go to the permanent campus, phase 1 will happen, phase 2 will happen, initiatives will take place, and I assure that we'll have better sport facilities here itself. Finally, a quote. Last one. I'm Gopinath, Paddy Singh was Sports Secretary. Please do. Everyone is